welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is Saturday. That means we are reviewing another balloon garland kit. I am working with a company that I've never worked with before. It's an RC&Z balloons. They send me whole bunch of kits, you guys. Stay on the lookout. I'm going to be reviewing more kits from them, and in one of the videos I will do a giveaway. Let's see what we are reviewing today. So this is a picture that they are advertising today's kit with on Amazon. It includes 120 pieces, royal blue, baby blue, white, silver, metallic, and confetti balloons. 120 pieces. Price right now is $18.78. Plus you can click on the box and apply coupon. You're gonna save $3 when purchasing this kit. I'm excited to see what's the quality of this kit will be. Let's dive deep and figure everything out together. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. And without any further ado, let's go. This is a kit that I received from RC&Z Balloons. Let's open this up and see what we have inside. First, I see this card with instructions, curling ribbon, glue dots, balloon strip to construct our balloon garland, and 4 bags with balloons. Colors look very pretty. I am curious to see how these balloons will look when I'll inflate them. All ready to inflate my balloons. I am using my electric balloon pump from Garland Paper and Balloon Company. If you would decide to purchase this pump, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. This code is valid only for your first purchase and if you're a new customer to Garland Paper and Balloon Company. Back to our balloons. Since we are working with a balloon strip, we need to inflate our balloons individually and tie our balloons individually. I was very surprised by now realizing, very surprised to find out that this kit does not include balloon tying tools. So I am pulling out one of my own and using to tie my balloons. Grabbing one of the balloons, inflating. Done inflating, I am pressing my balloon against the floor to give it a more rounder shape and using my balloon tying tool to tie my balloon. I didn't mention, but we are working with 5, 10, and 12-inch balloons. Let me quickly show you what I do with my confetti's balloons and how I static my confettis to my balloon. Inflate. I really like the quality of these balloons, even though they are on the thinner and softer side. They are very translucent and I haven't seen translucent balloons that good in quite a while. So my confettis are all the way at the bottom of my balloon. I am taking my 2 hands and starting to rub my hands on my balloon all over. Give it a shake. Rub some more. By rubbing my hands, I am creating static inside of my balloon. I used to use a piece of paper towel or a little towel, and those 2 things, they were leaving white marks on my balloons and I didn't like that, so I started using my hands. It seems like it's the best way for confetti balloons. And here you have one beautiful, perfectly confetti-like balloon. Time to construct my balloon garland. I'm using this balloon strip that was included in the kit. As you can see, this strip has bigger hole, little opening, and smaller hole. I'm starting to insert my first balloon through the bigger hole, making sure that my knot is completely through, sliding through the opening into a smaller hole, and letting go. I will be inserting my balloons on one side. I don't see a difference if you alternate sides or insert everything on one side. Once in a while, you might want to skip holes. If you see your balloons are starting to pop out, skip a hole. Balloons need more room to lay nicely in this strip. I will be using most of the colors, mostly 10-inch balloons in my base. I will leave confetti, silver, and 5-inch balloons outside of the strip, and I will fill in spaces with them later. is on my backdrop. It's looking a little bit skinny right now, but we still have some extra balloons to fill in spaces with on the garland. The reason why this garland looks skinny because we only have 10-inch balloons in our strip. I have 6 balloons in 12-inch, and I really wanted to insert them specifically on spots where I want them to be because they are chrome and confetti. I will be using glue dots to fill in spaces on my balloon garland, and I always suggest that you use more than one glue dot per balloon because you want your balloons to stay on your garland for quite some time. I made sure that this garland is really secured on my backdrop because I needed that extra support in this garland. I have 5 strings holding this garland on my backdrop right now. Why? You'll know a little bit later. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. In that video, I show how I attach all of my garlands using backdrop and how I attach all of my garlands using command hooks. Go check that video out. It will be linked in the description under this video. Let's grab our glue dots and let's go fill in spaces. I struggled to put my glue dots on balloons just because balloons were a little bit dusty, and as you know, if a glue dot hits a dusty surface, it's not going to stick. So I had to scratch that glue dot right on that balloon just to get some stickiness out of them. How this balloon garland will look like when you use everything in this kit. I like it. I really do. I love all the blues. I absolutely love this color over here. It is very, very beautiful. These chrome balloons, they are so nice. They blow into a good shape of balloon, not your weird shapes, which I'm surprised because chrome balloons usually they blow into weird shapes. These confetti balloons, they are very nice and clear and they are very good quality. This balloon I underinflated a little bit, that's why this portion looks a little bit foggy, but other than that, you guys, quality of these balloons, they're pretty decent. I did lost 4 balloons, 3 I lost in 5-inch and 1 10-inch balloon. Now time has come to put my own twist on it. Let's go. Let's do this. I absolutely love putting my spins on kits because I give you other ideas what you can do with kits. So very excited. Let's go. If you want to insert flowers into your balloon garland that is built with glue dots, then you need to secure balloons with glue dots very well. Why? Because the weight of flowers might unglue balloons from glue dots and they will fall. That's why you need to use a lot of glue dots. And this is my final balloon garland with my twist. You guys, I am absolutely and totally in love with the final result. Look at this. I am loving all the flowers, all the blues, and these dry leaves. I cannot. I'm just like, yes. They bring so much into this balloon garland, and just a few flowers, just a few leaves can elevate your balloon garland to a totally whole new level. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. About the flowers, I bought them at Walmart. These dry leaves, I bought them on Amazon, and they will be linked as well. Some pictures will be at the end of this video.